What?
Panadol.
$500.
Lord man, me nah ask you the price. Just give me 2 Panadol no ring.
No man, I stop trust man, I new management, you know.
Me not trust. Alright, you have an Andrews. Give me Andrews now.
$500 for Andrews too.
Ringo man. Oh, me can't make it look so hard man. Give me an Andrews now man. Me have problem Ringo man.
Babe, for your married to the pastor man, you have a problem. I stop trust.
Ringo. Nobody do me so man. Me always pay no care how much me take from you.
You.
But the longest me ever take to pay you 6 months.
Me tap trust.
Lord of his mercy, Ringo man. You can't help what's somebody in a problem. Me in a problem, Ringo, problem.
Babe, right now I said me son, I'm going to come with a man.
Oh, this is a problem.
That man
Bigger
is
than
up
me
there.
and my husband now in a Ringo. I don't even know what for them, I get on fool.
What's up, dear?
Problem, Ringo.
What kind of problem?
Ringo, I don't even want to tell you because you're too chatty, man.
Hey, if I walk up in business, make your problem, dear, so make you kill you.
Ringo, I can't find my son, my child.
Then baby, that son.
Of course, me have a child, I'm leave him down the country.
Hold on. You roll up your opinion, come and come.
No, Ringo, you have it wrong. I did not run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life. Nothing no wrong with that, Ringo.
So you take a bus, left your opinion, come out town, you have better life.
Yeah.
Why can your opinion come with you?
Ringo, you must understand me, not just come here to the church back I did live.
So you care people live at your back
No,
with you?
it could not live round
You're
here.
a wicked woman.
Then Ringo,
You and my mom
I
are
look
the
after
same
my
blood.
child, Ringo. I send money down the country every month. I send toys every Christmas.
Last time, what about man and love?
Lord,
You?
I talk to them on the phone.
No, Jesus! No, you must think to me a rock with them today, but we did not want to become.
Turn upside down.
Hey boy,
The things that we couldn't find.
I'm a teaser, you know? Take them up. Take them up.
No, you're not kick him again, man.
Hey, what you do that? Every job I think is a gun. Hey?
Ringo, take that thing.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. How you trouble on the road? Who you trouble on the road?
One boy just stung me in one of my face, them.
And boy jump you? Boy jump you? Don't show me who jump you.
Yeah, come on, me show you like where you're bad.
Hold on. Which boy jump you?
Them saying them.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, jump you?
Yeah, man.
You're sure you said to jump you?
Shut up.
You're looking to jump you, kill you.
Then Ringo, we have to move from out here now.
Hey boy, you can't go on the road, go on. Sit back on chimney. You can't go on by my chimney.
You don't understand what easy up now, man. Ringo, man, I'm going to kick him in the feet, and I'm going to tell you back.
Hey, boy, pack up my stand. You know your class now?
No matter what you yourself, you're not trouble.
No, Mr. Top. Boy, make sure me come and start pack up. Hey boy, this way your class? What tell them all? Tell them all. Protect you. Well, open it up. Is it? Hey boy, you got to my stand. Take you up. Take you up. Then take up my stand.
Jimmy, I'm not you. This is where you pass. I'll take up the chicken.
Hey boy. Take up my stand. Take up my stand. Come again, yeah?
You mean I say?
Make sure you fuck up my style. I'm gonna deal your face when I come again.
Ring up, mind trouble, ring up, mind trouble. You see what happened now? I have big trouble. Happy in there, you know.
Hey boy, Mr. Lux. Eh? Come fix up Mr. Come fix up Mr.
I'm gonna fix it though.
Move. Hey boy, you can't go on the road down white bad man with chimney. Eh? You idiot? Eh? Hey boy, you know when I wire this cars now? You don't make your man down the road that call me? Ring one and chimney friend, hey boy, me your friend? Hey boy, me know you?
Yeah, God no. Are you rent me there so?
Me rent your place, boy?
Yeah, you say me never talk to nobody, me only must talk
Hey
to
boy,
you.
come here. See you? You say you can't go down the road now, though. You say you can't go back, no, you don't know the much shut up if kill you. Hey boy, you idiot.
Yeah.
You? Come here.
I'm going close.
Sit down there, sir. You say as long as you're paranoid, you can't be no idiot. You have to be a gangster. I see you, I go big gangster in you. What you gonna do? You're gonna worry bad man with chin.
Ringo. One of the things I'm afraid of you. I'm here alone, you have strength, but I have strength for your belly and have no miggle. Them teeth them in them head colorful like Skittles. So me a bad friend, if you ever come out there and come boy like you want to fight me, I give him a beat him up. So me not take my vitamin, that's why I'm get me here. I'm not say me better than quick!
Hey boy, where you say all that? Where you say all that?
Me sir.
Where you say all that?
Jesus love me, this I know, for the Bible tells me.
Why you speak now? No God knows God, but make I tell you something. Make you kill someone. You see all who be dead, they die ready. And all who want to live now. That boy want to live.
Me not dead already.
You see next thing around the road, you make sure say, you see shutter before you see you. Anyone else see you will kill you. No. So this, make sure when you go to do the one of this. Now talk to you, man.
Let me do something.
Hey boy, I chat to you. I'm not fucking. Your country?
Yes, sir.
Get up.
No, sir. Anything you have to do it, yes, sir.
Hey boy, I'm tapping in it.
No, sir.
Get up.
I want to go back to country.
Hey boy, what's the answer? Yes, sir. No, anything you're going to do, you see? You make sure you want this. What is? Boy, take it. Take it. Hey boy, jump in. Hey boy, man. Come on, murder, come on. Hey boy. Where you going? Where you going?
It's under my arm.
Take it out. No, pretend it's a miniature to find the family. Hey boy, make it touch me now. Find the family. What do you think of them?
Them not function, you got a clinic a man in.
Squeeze it. Squeeze that. Squeeze it. Hey boy, what you doing?
Me a squeeze it.
Never. Watch me. Look at me. Look at me. What are you going to say? One. Put it on there, you sir. Come. Put it in there. Alright. Use the right hand now. Do so. Okay, ready? Is that finger here? That finger here, go between. Yo! That finger here. Pull up my chicken, right? Ready? Work up. Hey boy, where you going? Where you going there?
It's in my front.
Hey boy, take you out. Yeah, idiot. Take out it. You know you do? Go and play gun. Tomorrow make you go and place. Come and teach you how to shoot that. Here? Go and put it down. Yo, oi! Now yo.
And then when you give it to one black something.
Hey boy, make your gun.
Yeah, to one black something.
Hey boy, go put it down. Go put it in your room. You may say you must see a blind here and there. Go put it in your room. Go put it down. So like you're a gunman now?
Me, sir.
Yeah, my friend, you have a gun, you're a gunman.
Alright, you don't want me gunman, so I'm going to give you back a gun, sir.
I'm going to put a shot in your knee. Slow down, sir. I'm telling you about kill some. It's two things going to kill some. You have to be a gunman and a girl's man. You probably come to my country and a girl for yourself.
Them say one cow don't get me woman, sir, I'm going to breed it.
Hey boy, do you cow?
Yeah, God no accept everybody dead.
What tax again?
Oh, that's true.
They will kill the cow and yam and then kill you. Make sure we get a real guy for yourself. You like the pastor data? Nice, don't it? A good girl, a good girl. How much you go?
No, sir, that bit poison me.
Yeah. Your teacher will get into together for yourself. Your pops buying together. So they get into together, they get any girl that you want. Right? When she pass the data, she started fragile. You have to anger with her, we talk to her nice, and we talk to her decent. But if you want to get on the pass the data, good side. You just wait till one morning, 6 o'clock, when she come out and exercise. And you come out and meet it. But here you have to have an approach. See? You have to say a thing like this. Listen me now. I go say, hi baby, how are you doing?
Jesus, I can't sing.
Say it. Say it. Say, hi baby, how are you doing? Say it.
Hi, baby.
You think I call? You think I call your doctor? Say it again. And this time talk softly. Nice, smooth. Hi baby, how are you doing? Soft. Yes. Hey, last time I'm going to show you. See, now catch you right? You shot in your knee. Now pretend say 6 o'clock in the morning. Alright? Pretend say me, I pass the data. Look me. You know, look me. Mister, if you look me. Hey boy, make it out look me. Hey?
My stomach sick.
Me sick at the moment?
God knows in my stomach.
You will live. You know where about that. You just make sure you come out your sister every morning. One day you must get the parcel out, alright? Now you see you go, that easy to catch. All you have to do is make sure the cheese is on the start. But if you have to have a look at style, then call it a profile. Now watch this now. She had a come on that way, other way. And when she come from, you just come out there and catch her. Watch me boy, hey, country, watch me. Catch. Eh? I can see some. Alright? And since you come, you just say this. Yo! That's not more. I'll try that. Let's try it. What is the boy? The boy everybody dead. Watch me, watch out. Hey. Alright. I say, yo, talk to like you talk to your cow. Moo! You can't say moo, you have to say yo. Alright. Let me tell you. Alright, sit down, come on. Hey, remember, you talk alone, you say yo. Yeah, remember that. Hey! Moo!
No.
No.
No, man! Ringo, come and box me. Oh, you problem. Him? What is wrong with you?
Mommy, I'm not feeling well.
You drink tea this morning?
Yes, Mommy, so that's not...
You having a headache or what?
No, Mommy, man.
What is wrong with you? Tell it to me. You have a problem?
Mommy, that depression.
What? What you said?
Relax, Mommy.
I know it. So why you just wait to tell me now, child? Why you just tell it? If you pray to tell me, why you never tell teacher at school? Jesus, what did they do? Why you do? Mr. Tell me why you do. I swear I'm going to laugh.
Relax, Mommy. Just pressure me to be the church secretary.
Oh, damn it, after all. But nothing is wrong with that. Wanted you to be a church secretary. No, you make me all think so smutty about your dad. Eh? I was just reading the other day that a man want to rape his daughter. And that is what I think about. No. You always a company and you're boring and you want something to do. Eh? Why you don't take the offer?
Me, I don't want to do that.
Why not? What you want to do? Eh? Jig up like them other girl on the street? You know, think you better go to church or do something. He's a good half a man. I go and talk to him. Take it. Or better yet, if you don't want to be the secretary, to make him be the treasurer.
To do what?
Treasurer, I'm the money. And you know, we need money. No, I'm not telling you to thief, you know. You can't take some at a time.
Mommy,
Don't feel no way about it, man. I will teach you how to do it. Yeah? You won't find out. Yes, and then you will have something to do and which can share the money. Talk to your father, I'm going to talk to him.
So, Kima, what do you?
If the rebel in you can touch a rebel in me, and the rebel in me can touch a rebel in you, and the rebel will be, it's gonna set us free.
The way you move so sexy, mama, you're bringing me to my knees. Hands in the air like you came to party, shaking it, making a whole club freeze. Get down, get down. Wanna dance with you, baby, no doubt. Get down.
Don't let that put you too wrong, man. Don't you come right here, so don't touch me there. Don't you, man. Country. Stop, man. Go back to your country.
Ringo.
What one in this one? No shish, me say what one in this one.
Angel, it's Beanie and Barbie inside here.
Oh man, you come like you're dead. Me say what Kima do in this one with my man.
Your man just changed course. Don't stop the progress.
Progress. Alright, me want to say pastor, no wonder the progress there. Pastor!
Where do you? Let me smell nice for. Come and sell it.
You know you always them something, huh? Take my man, the man give them way now. But you know, go some more.
No.
Get it?
I told you explicitly say, first come, first serve. Sit down by your turn.
I'm saying now, wait.
Sit down. Hello. One at a time. Sit down right by you, and I'm going to show you guys the money because I collect going there. How's my head? Sit down.
You're not to go, my man. Ringo.
Yeah, man.
You must always promote me when I go and bad like me a whole nigga in the yard.
Yeah,
What
man.
do you mean by man?
You know who is that going, sir?
No, my man.
A big son.
Hey, you must stop telling lies. You're a liar, wicked and nasty, man.
You see a big boy. Or him because big mama or big because his mother or something. But you don't hurt him. A big picnic.
You mean the one I should have looked for?
You know, him? You got him up and they are working out and go and put him and set him up. So I work him out and now.
Oh my God, like you serious?
I'm serious.
You mean you're big?
Yeah.
No, man, move up your body.
Come here, bigger place to tell about.
Man, that means that you are promote family ram in the song.
Come out, huh?
Family ram.
You know, that boy is there with the cow. Don't reach you, Ram. It's not reach you. Sit down right by your turn.
We don't know what?
No, your turn.
No, man. Nasty niggas they know about me. What we gonna do with Ben Dutty, so look, I don't want him. We don't want him. Here we know you and Kim can't keep him. I'm gonna get ready for work. Got the road nice.
When the fox can't get the girl, they say sour. One sour girl. Yeah. See, one thing me know. And my boy that.
It's almost 6 months I don't came up here now. So these people better try to have my money now. Can you imagine I have my whole house and I'm here for these culprits? Prostitute! How are you on prostitute there? You know what? Be on there this morning. No, I don't rent this room yet. I am serious this morning, serious like a judge. I won't even smile. You think I know you're in there? Eh? Oh. You know that you rent Joe? What is the name again?
Name.
Okay, how you spell name?
Just right, Dutchy name.
Alright, we can't spell Dutch. Anyway, we don't have to spell your name. I'll never do the look on you and draw you. Hello? Alright, she said, here just in time. I hope anybody can't come from. I need my rent money today. Come on. Oh, she said, let me tell you something. You see this room here? You do not have an iPad? I don't ready for rent it yet. Come on, take it down. You say your face bigger than a circus? Watch it. Ringo, my boy. Ringo. How are Pampas, do yourself a favor. Take for yourself before they sell you too. I'm out of here, you're right. Right here!
Rastafari.
Rastafari, I'm here!
I know that.
What the eye, the blind the eye?
Yeah, I want blind the eye. Why all the while I try to disrespect the eye?
Me!
Yo! Why you knock on the rest of people place one time and knock on my own 10 times?
Me!
Yo! So you try this side?
Me!
Yo! Make I tell you something. Don't come back on here. Don't come back on here. All the while you come and try to disrespect Rasta.
Me!
Yo! You make Rasta look wild somewhere. Give me them. It's from now on, I run things on us. You know, some here I tell all our people in boss it. Now they come to boss it. You see the eye eat pork. You ever see the eye eat pork?
Them say yes, cause them jerk it give you.
You take Rasta for mackerel.
Me Ras, me not take it for mackerel.
Boy. You know, say this Rasta.
Me!
Yo! I Rasta go put this fire in a boy. Take for yourself.
Come on, house.
Me! Yo!
wicked. And I'm going like you don't know, so Rasta will disrespect you. You see, anyone come out and come on and they want this Rasta. Hey, actually, boy, I know enough. Any boy come back in my place. I mean, I run things down enough. Because some boy are going to everything. Any boy try this thing. Don't care what that boy be. Don't go this up a boy.
Yo.
No.
You run here, son?
No.
Run away.
Oh, that's it.
Problem. When I go and solve this problem, Father God, I beg you to help me solve it. Where else can I turn? Where can I look? God, I left Kim cook. Oh, I can't eat.
Mommy, what is wrong with you?
Kim, baby, I don't really like to tell you, but a shame.
Come on, Mommy, man, you know you can't talk to me.
You sure?
Yes, ma, what is it?
Kim, I don't even want to tell you.
Mommy, what is wrong?
Kim, I can't find my son.
Something wrong with you? Which son are you talking
I
about?
have a child, Kim. Yes, I do have a child. I left him down the country like 20-something years. It's not that I give him away or anything, you know. Because I send money down the country every month. And I send him toys every Christmas.
So why you never tell me about this?
Kim, I didn't know how to tell you. Time just catch up on me and I didn't tell you. But sorry about it. I have a wonderful son. And I have something else to tell you, darling. But please don't take it as a shock. It is true, but just take it calm. You is not my child.
What?
You're not my real child. Kim, I had us to take it from you from your born. To take the shame out of the church. Your father got deacon wife pregnant. And we took her away and you was born, and from that I have you. Never mind. Never mind. I do understand. Never mind, Kim.
Mommy, so you talk to Daddy about this?
I'm telling you, but him just not listening to me.
Daddy! Daddy, come here.
Yes.
Daddy, come here, I want to talk
Don't
to
even
you.
want to tell him again. Because he know everything about it.
I just about go to our church, you know. Because John, I appoint him as deacon and he come like him want to take the whole of the money. And me and John, I want pound and carry, you know. I'm going to run joke and with it. And me and John build up the church.
Daddy, that's not what I want to talk about.
What are you talking about now?
Mommy have a son and he's missing and you're not doing anything about it.
Kim, you have a picnic?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you have anybody missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, me missing?
Daddy, no.
Kim, us missing?
No, Daddy.
Now on the backside you are about better than damn people are missing. Eh? Everything missing. Should I report a kingfish? Eh? Hey, watch out. Why don't take flashlight and go look for that backside? Eh? Hey, why you worry about the dancing contest? Well, come on. Because you have to enter. You hear me say? It's $2.10 million. You hear me? And you want us to put on a roof on the church. Oh, so you remember say we have to go there and dance. Whether you like it or not, you have to win. Whether you enter or not, you have to win. You hear me say? Whether you want to go or not, you have to win. Oh, and you better start taking exercise, you know. Because you're going to enter the competition too. You must enter that competition. You hear me say? Because if you don't win, you have to win. And if you don't win, you have to win. One must win. Me don't talk. Me don't talk.
I just can't believe
Me don't talk.
the husband gets strange. No, look, the house for sale. We don't live nobody but talk about church fair.
So you all left your youth.
How dare you?
Oh dear, yo, wicked woman.
Wicked like you dirty woman getting a banana trash. How to father bright and feisty. The forward. That's how Ringo do. Pack up your head and nonsense. And tell the people busy but don't tell you it right. I didn't run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life.
A better life for a better man.
I said, don't talk to me like that. Huh? From the day I see, I know that your man I get if you a bunch of banana. Have no respect. Mark the word with me, you know. I'm a big woman. A senior citizen could be a mother. Come on, you're out of father.
No, man. Nasty Rasta boy, come here.
She box me. Yo, daughter, I want you to get another. Come and put white here, daughter. I don't want to make Rasta look worse. You saw you need the Rasta. I just so much. I pot. I'm going to deal with it.
Rasta boy.
Yeah.
Listen, me never cook in your pot.
So where you use Rasta thing and do that? Where you use the eye thing and do? Yeah?
You want me use stand up?
Yes, I want to use stand
up. Panty in there for soak.
No, see, them king the way I'm going. I think Rasta be fool, you know.
Why?
Hey, daughter, don't say that again, you know. I think it's a joke, you know.
What?
Hey, daughter, I like to say that again, you know. So step in your face, you're going like.
Come on.
Yo, Boras. Put up yourself.
All you involved in the Rasta thing to ball till, what you do? And the war, I come be looking at peace and I preaching. And the daughter decide.
Peace I preach.
Yes, I.
Do something for me then.
Yes, I am.
Well, on a jerky and tell me to get 2 pounds of jerk pork. And yo, taste it and make sure you say load with pepper. So what am I say? I front?
No, I.
What am I say?
We don't jerky. I get 2 pounds of pork and make sure it's full of pepper.
What you do?
Yes,
Oh, London now.
Country. I would just.
Don't call my country. Shabada, my name.
Then Shabada. You turn bad man.
Don't study me. You with mad.
You know me love my bad man them.
Take away your froze yourself. Yo, forward.
I couldn't know that.
Go home.
I just bring back your jacket for you. You know what? I have a surprise for you. I'll get tired of your room.
Yo, be clean up your quarters.
So why are you talking to me like that? I have something I want to talk to you about. My father pressured me to enter this dance competition and I don't want to. I feel if I enter, people going to lose respect for me. And most of all, I don't want you to lose respect for me. The only reason why I would enter doing is for my mother because she really need the money. The other day was so amazing. The way you make me feel, the way you give me the bed, and you sleep on the floor, and you're not even asking for sex.
Yo, okay, but me tell you this. And every time a man and a woman go behind closed door, they must sex. Sometimes they just go behind closed door and flex.
Stop it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oops.
Ringo! Ringo, 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 Ringo! Ringo! Ringo, 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 Ringo! What the hell is that? Oh my lord! I'm happy to see you, brother. Ringo, what happened? You not glad to see me? Ringo, you not happy to see me? Ringo, 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 Ringo.
Smurf, stop bringing up my name, man.
Oh, you mean something on your name? I'm your provider. You not happy to see me?
He's a wicked man.
What wicked? What are you
I
talking
please
about?
you make me go in.
With what?
Oh, if you have me embassy for you, you run guy left me. With the gate money, receipt money, back on everything.
Yeah, but Ring, you must understand, as a promoter, when things not going your way, you got to flee from the Philistine. Right. But don't worry, man. I'm here. I'm with a new plan. You know, happy, huh? Ringo, listen to me. I was thinking about something. You see this year, the competition is going to be bigger and better. We're going to offer $2.5 million.
This year?
Yeah.
I'm going to be a nightmare for in that one. And I'm going to kill you.
Come on, Ringo, man. For $2.5 million. $2.5 million. $2.5 million.
Smurf, I don't care.
$2.5 million.
$2.5 million?
Yes.
That's what I like money.
So, hey, come here, Ringo, man. You know, I was thinking about the place, and I say, you see, this year competition is going to be here in the yard. Right? Look, you have a stall right there. So we can bring the competition right in the yard. I would have to pay nobody for no rental. Think about it.
For $2.5 million?
Yes.
Money from?
I don't worry about it, man. I'm a promoter. And this year, it's going to be only female.
No, yeah, because you're like ding dang and
No. We don't want any males this year. We only want females.
That means man, you can't get some boy for that and listen because you man them know.
Ringo, are you listening to me? I said no males, only females.
This is a female.
Females.
What may I tell you, say, it's like a 2.5 million. All you have is put the money in that two. Give the woman there one.
Ringo, you're not listening to me. Hold on. No, man. Something wrong. No, man. Your face is on diet? No, Ringo, man. Shape up, Michael. But Ringo, just come and check the man, okay?
So, Smurf, what me ask you? You couldn't just take him 5 man.
Ringo, I said no. Read my lips. Can you comprehend? Did you go to school? Only females. Okay? Catch it. Tell me something. My baby here? Huh?
Only female.
Yo, ahora. Mayo, don't chat in ahora.
Amida.
What you want?
I ain't gonna talk to you.
Mayo, don't ask now. What you want?
I want to talk to you.
I hope something and I saw you going and I said, please.
You'll be my cousin, Mr. Chair, man.
Yeah, me a waste, man.
This boy nice. Come by. Me must say please. No, me say now come out. Please. May I talk to you? Let me tell you.
Yes! Yeah! Yes, time!
That's bad boy. Simple fact.
Yo, Mayo, dog rounds.
Hold on. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of myself. Real time. One thing I can tell you. Don't you ever try this again. They must say me bring you. Alright. Hey, here's English shutter. Here's English shutter.
Yo, see I'm like here and deaf. I say something about you to want to kill you, know. You need Smurf. But me ready to do this. But here I know. Is a CS Smurf there? We put on a competition every year. A dance competition, you know. And this year, the money bigger. This year the money is $1 million. So me here see a guy like a passa and the bang and this thing them. So me the one dance now. If you could find a girl we can dance, you can send no one no man in it, pay a female, right? So if you can't find a girl we can dance, more take care of the winnings. All you have to do, make sure you guys can dance. See? And there is pretty money between each other, 50-50. You see? You get 100,000, me get 100,000, and she get 100,000. That cool? Give that to me, yeah? I'm gonna ask you, you know. I tell that never leave. Respect what you have with my. Yo, we'll see you next time in that point you do it. Welcome to this 2008 dance-off in the Ghetto Dance-Off competition. And tonight we have 1, 2, 3, 4 contestants waiting for $2.5 million. I say waiting for because somebody's going to walk away with a whopping $2.5 million in cash. Cash, we say cash. And now we have Pastor, who is one of our dear neighborhood community judge. And we have the producer himself. Mr. Smurf is the pastor. You guys?
Hi, hello, guys. I'm here. Get on.
Now, if anything wrong, I just say if anything go wrong with this competition, name the producer. Good. Now, are you ready for contestant number 1? Lady, we call her the Eily one. Ras Rahim. Place your heads together for Ras Rahim. Read him up. Stop.
I'm going to put you on the choir.
That was contestant number 1, vying for $2.5 million, and she's in the money. Put your hands together now. For contestant number 2, this lady danced for a living. She danced all night long, and she's here tonight to ring up a star. Put your hands together for Dainty. Read him up. Stop. All right. Okay. That was contestant number 2, the lady Dainty, dancing for $2.5 million. Next, this lady's last year winner, and she's here this year to reclaim the prize of number 1 position again. Put your hands together for the lady we call Merkel from the Gully Banks. Merkel. Contestant number 3, the lady Merkel from the Gully Banks. Next we have contestant number 4. Now this lady is from the church, representing the church community. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together now for contestant number 4, Lady Kimberly.
and gentlemen,
Lord, man.
you have seen. Listen up. You have seen the 4 contestants. Now, by your applaud and your applaud only, we will choose the winner tonight. So, what do you say for contestant number 1?
Hello? Here is the entrance.
What do you say for contestant number 2?
I don't think I have to tell you the same thing, you know. Look on you. You're not happen. You forgot shot. I don't come and shot this. Come on.
Say for contestant number 3, Berkel from the gully side.
Landslide.
Oh, woman.
What do you say for Pastor Daughter, contestant number 4?
Yeah! Yeah! Murphy, where you go? They robbed me. You this is Curry Favor. Where you coming? Curry Favor. She bought them come at town. The Ghana country.
Me not take this up. Me not take this up.
You have called him. You have called. That joke about say, come. Kim. Take it out. Leave. Kim. I say leave here. How you can lose? How the boss say you can lose? It's not muscle. No, this have to count over. This year was how you can lose. Eh? Mr. Kim, all you do, when the music start to play, all you have to do, cut it up. You know? That's all you have to do. Eh? What me teach you? Take the things and let it up.
It's not my fault.
How the boss say me don't know your fault? Eh? You think the boy that get my money, so? Motherfucker, we kill that child.
That is weird enough. Weird enough.
Don't say that to me.
Hey, bring out the boy. Who is this?
Hi, baby. You want somewhere to live?
You don't come out there.
Hey, little girl, I must say, my own meaning. Hello, you walk and stop like you know. Hello. Call him man for me, no girl. Hello, don't get on the stand.
It's not very
Come give money to me.
Tell me that you can't wait.
Just give me the money.
Bring the weight. That run go down the country go identity.
No, give me money, no man. Give me
Remember
money.
a little problem with tell us that me did have. Then find one body and me forgot identification
Yeah,
of my son. No, ring. I'm gonna give a phone.
Give me this.
Bring a phone. Bring a weight. I'm gonna give a phone. Wait till my husband come.
Yo, Milo.
Why?
I mean, I beat up the fool.
Mother?
Yeah, mommy and me, Wesley.
Wesley? No, this can't be real. Wesley, are you? Wesley? Are you this?
Ringo! Hey! Run!
I'm my bitch now where you
Run!
Hey man, Wesley. We can't breathe on Wesley.
Yeah, I'm with him what?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wesley. Wesley, get back from. What? Too good?
They say I look for
Wesley, no Wesley.
Pastor! Pastor!
How Shantala Bakuntela? As the good book say, listen to me, son of a pastor. Thou shalt not kill. Yo, the book never said thou shalt not commit adultery. Go. Move. I don't mean.
Something was wrong.
I don't mean.
Listen to your mother.
I want to be a mother now for you, Wesley.
Yes.
I want to take you to the park. I want to buy you a lollipop. President, please don't do it. It don't work.
Yes, me no work.
It don't work, President, please.
It don't work.
God, pray for him now.
Remember the law said, crime stop, solving crime pays.
Yes, please.
Me no work. Please. No shoot. Hey, remember something take a phone call, John take care of you. Remember me set up in a life, you know.
You?
Why you change for me, so?
Don't study me. You will mad. Remember this? When you hear it, run. Yo. So.
So, come here. Yo. Come here. No, listen.
No.